Okay, so good day class. So our topic for today is multiple integrals. Okay? So simple lang naman to, no? Halos same lang siya sa uh, definite integral. So parang kabaligtaran lang to nung partial derivatives kung nare-recall yun sa calculus, no? So dito, mag-integrate lang tayo ng marami, no? So dito sa multiple integrals, ang unang-una yung gagawin is i-integrate natin yung loob, papalabas tayo. So for example, dito sa una nating example, no? So ang i-integrate natin itong part na to, ito yung una at saka yung dy. So ibig sabihin, ang i-integrate natin yung mga variable y. And yung mga x natin is para i-consider natin muna siya as constant. So after natin i-integrate yan, saka tayo mag-integrate nung nasa labas. Ito, which is yung ating integral sign na may kasamang upper limit na 1 and lower limit na 0 at saka yung dx. Okay? So, tatandaan nyo lang sa multiple integrals, ang magkakasama dyan is yung mga nasa loob, papalabas. Okay? So, for example, itong upper limit na 2 and 1, ang kasama niya ay dy. So, ibig sabihin, integrate natin doon yung y. So, after natin i-integrate, then, substitute na natin yung upper and lower limit niyan. Then, integrate naman natin yung nasa labas na dx. Okay? So, paano gagawin? Sige, start tayo, no? So, first, integrate natin yung, tawag doon, itong xy dy. Okay, so paano yan? So, i-integrate lang natin siya. So, using power rule, ano? So, si x natin, consider muna natin siya as constant. Okay. So, di ba pag kinonsider as constant, ilalabas natin yan. So, paano yan? So, copy ko lang itong si 1, 0. Then, ilabas na natin constant, which is yung x. Then, 2, 1. Then, si y, dy, and dx. Okay, so integrate muna natin to. So, mangyayari dyan, 1, 0. Then, yung upper limit na 2 and 1. Then, y squared over 2 dx. Then, next, substitute na natin yung mga values ng upper limit and lower limit. Mangyayari, sorry, nilabas ko pala si x, hindi ko pala nailagay. So, x. Then, so, una natin si upper limit, which is yung 2 squared over 2. Minus natin yung lower limit na 1 squared over 2 dx. Okay. So, next, lagay ko na rin dito. Simplify lang natin. So, 2 squared is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Minus 1 squared is 1. So, 1 half. Okay. dx. Okay. Integrate lang ulit. So, simplify lang natin. Si 2, kung natin LCD, magiging 4 over 2 minus 1 half dx. Therefore, so, magiging 3 halves yan, ano? So, bali magiging 3 halves x dx. Nakuha. So, after that, integrate naman natin ulit siya si x dx naman. So, lahat ng mga x values, ano? So, lahat yan magiging constant. So, ito si 3 halves, constant naman talaga yan. So, ilabas na natin. 3 halves, so, integral of x dx, upper limit na 1 and lower limit na 0. So, integrate lang natin siya. 3 halves. So, 1, 0 na per lower limit. So, si x magiging x squared over 2. Next. So, hindi na tayo magpa-plus pala dito, no? Since it's definite integral naman. Baka lang nalilimutan nyo, no? Okay. So, 3 halves. So, substitute natin yung 1 squared over 2. Then, minus 0 squared over 2, no? So, ito naman ay makakancel lang, ano? Since 0 lang naman yan. Then, so 1 squared is 1 over 2 is 1 half also. So, 3 halves over 1 half, multiply by 1 half is 3/4. So, that will be our final answer. Okay, so ganun lang naman kasimple yung multiple integrals. O sige, kung mayroon pang nalilito, next example tayo. Okay. So, ito, integral of integral, hindi ko alam basahin ano. So, x plus 2y dx dy. So, integral of y squared, y, and integral of 1, and lower limit na 0. Okay? So, dito, ang una natin integrate is yung mga x na dx. Yan. And, after that, pag na-integrate na natin, isubstitute natin yung y squared, saka yung y na lower limit. Pagka substitute natin, integrate naman natin siya in terms of dy naman. Okay, so paano mangyayari? Sige, integrate muna natin yan. 1, 0, then. Okay. Copy ko na lang muna, oh. So, ito y squared, tapos y. X, so bali yung x na to, constant lang siya, no? Plus 2y. So, dx and dy. Okay, so differentiate natin siya. Integrate natin siya in terms of x. So, okay. So, upper limit na y squared over y. So, kapag constant lang naman siya, diba? Tapos, in terms of dx, hindi pala constant yung x, ano? So, in terms of dx, magiging x squared over 2. Plus, ito pala yung constant. Since dx tayo, yung y natin, i-assume natin na constant. So, bali, ang 2y na to is assume natin na constant. Diba kapag integrate natin constant, magkakaroon lang siya ng x. So, bali magiging 2 x, y, ano. So, magkaka-x lang siya, no. Then, dy. Okay? So, integrate muna natin substitute muna natin yung values ng upper limit and lower limit. So, yan, sige. 0. Upper limit muna tayo. So, y squared over 2 plus 2 sa x na magiging y squared times yung y minus y squared over 2 plus 2y so 2y then dy. Okay, so simplify lang natin. So y squared is y raised to 4 over 2 plus 2y cube na to minus y squared over 2 plus 2y squared dy. Okay, simplify lang ulit natin, no? So, magiging integral of 1, 0. Ito pala, may yan. Parenthesis dyan. Baka magkalituhan eh. So, magiging y raised to 4 over 2 plus 2y cubed. Ito minus y squared over 2. And ito may negative, then magiging multiply natin sa positive, magiging negative 2y squared dy. So, pagsamahan natin yung y squared, pagsamahan natin yung y squared over 2, saka yung minus 2y squared. So, since pare siyang coefficient. Then, y raised to 4 over 2 plus 2y cubed. So, kung natin LCD yung dalawa na magiging y squared over 2 saka minus 4y squared over 2, di ba? dy. So, simplify lang ulit. Y raised to 1, y raised to 4 squared plus 2y cubed. So, 1 and minus, by negative 1 minus 4 is negative 5y squared over 2 dy. So, after natin simplify, integrate na ulit natin yan in terms of dy. So, mga y naman yung i-integrate natin. Okay. So, integrate lang natin yan. No? So, siguro, hindi ko na siguro masyado i-explain. So, simple lang yan. So, y raised to 4 over 2 magiging y raised to 5 over 10 plus 2y raised to 4 over 4 minus 5y raised to 3 over 6, ano? Okay, so substitute lang natin yung mga upper limit. So, sa upper limit na, no? So, 1 raised to 5 over 10 plus 2 times 1 raised to 4 over 4 minus 5 times 1 cube over 6. So, minus natin yung lower limits na 0 raised to 5 over 10 plus 2 times 0 raised to 4 over 4 minus 5 times 0 cube over 6. So, obviously, makakancel lang to. Cancel, cancel. So, wala tayong ima-minus na, no? Then, ito magiging 1 over 10 plus yung 1 raised to 4 is 1 times 2. So, 2 over 4, ano? Or, tama, 1 half. Plus, or minus pala, magiging 5 over 6 lang to. So, kunin natin LCD nila. Ang LCD nila is 13, no? Tama, 30. So, paano to? Pag 30, magiging 3 over 30 to. Plus 15 over 30 minus 25 over 30. The answer is, so 3 plus 15 is 18 minus 25 is negative 7 over 30. So that is our final answer. Ayusin ko lang box natin. Ayan. Okay. So, sana nagigets nyo, no? Okay, last example. So, ayan. Paano pag tatlo naman? So, xyc squared dx dz dy. Ay, sorry. Hindi ko pala naisulat. So, integral of upper limit na 1, then lower limit na 0. Then, upper limit na 3, lower limit na 0. And then, upper limit na 2, and lower limit na 1. Okay, so unahin ko lang. Integrate natin dyan muna is yung mga x. Susunod, easy naman, so z. So, ang huli natin is yung y. So, yan. So, ang magkakapartner dyan yung mga nasa loob, papalabas, ha? Lagi nyo tatandaan yun, na may silbi yung order niyan. Okay. So, okay, mag-integrate tayo. Integrate muna natin in terms of x. Then, yung y and z squared is consider muna natin siya as constant. Okay, so di ba pag constant, ilalabas lang muna natin. So magiging 2, 1, 3, 0. Ilabas natin si y and z squared. Then ang i-integrate natin 1, 0, si x lang. So x, dx, dz, and dy. Okay? So 2, 1, then 3, 0. Y z squared, then integrate lang natin to, magiging x squared over 2. So magiging dz na lang to at dy. Substitute natin yung values. 3, 0, y z squared multiply by, so si x magiging 1. 1 squared is 1 lang, 1 half, minus, substitute natin 0 over 2. So, makakancel lang naman tong 0 over 2, no? So, since 0 lang naman yan. So, dz and dy. So, 2, 1, 3, 0. So, bali mangyayari dito is 1 half times, say, y squared is y z squared over 2. So, dz and dy. Next, integrate natin yung dz, and since siya na may nasa loob. Okay, so ano mangyayari dyan? So, bali ilalabas natin yung mga constant. So, si say, assume natin na constant since naka-in terms of, si y pala yung ilalabas natin since naka-dz tayo in terms of say. So, magiging y over 2. Then, integral of 3, 0, si say squared ang natitira. dz and dy. Okay? So, nangyayari dyan, y over 2 integral natin, integrate natin, magiging z cube over 3 dy na lang to. Okay, substitute na ulit natin yung mga limits natin. Magiging 3 cube over 3 minus 0 cube over 3 dy. So, cancel lang ulit tong 0 cube over 3. So, mayayari dyan, y over 2 3 cube is 27, ano? Over 3, 9. So, ngayon, multiply by 9, dy. So, 2, 1. So, 9y over 2 dy. So, ngayon, labas na ulit natin yung mga constant, ano? So, 9 over 2. Integral of 2, 1, y dy. Okay, madali nang integrate si y, ano? So, magiging 9 over 2 y squared over 2 na to. Substitute lang natin yung mga limits. So, 2 squared, simplihan ko na 4 over 2 minus 1 half. Kuha. Di nangyayari dyan. 9 over 2 times 3 halves. So, 9 halves over, multiply by 3 halves is 27 halves over 2. So, that will be our final answer. Yan. So, yan. Gano'n lang naman kasimple yung multiple integrals. And I hope nakuha nyo, no? So, kung may tanong kayo, message nyo na lang ako dyan sa topic na yan. So, have a good day.